Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja DoubleStack XL air fryer won't turn on? Let's get to fixing it right away. No filler. First, check that your air fryer is plugged in securely. A loose connection can prevent the appliance from powering up. Wiggle the plug gently to ensure it's snug in the outlet. If it's plugged in and still not working, try using a different outlet. Test the outlet with another device like a lamp or phone charger to make sure it's working properly. If the outlet isn't working, you might need to reset your circuit breaker. Next, inspect the power cord for any visible damage, such as frayed wires or kinks. A damaged cord can prevent the fryer from receiving consistent power. If you notice any issues, replace the cord immediately. After that, reset your Ninja DoubleStack XL by unplugging it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and test it again. A reset clears temporary glitches and gives the internal systems a fresh start. Finally, if none of these steps work, there could be an issue with the internal fuse or circuitry. Refer to your user manual for instructions on how to safely access and replace the fuse, or contact customer support for further assistance. And there you go. Your Ninja DoubleStack XL should now be back up and running. If these steps don't resolve the issue, reach out to customer support for further help. We've added the link to the user manual in the video description.